Welcome back. Rampant illegal cutting of mangroves is on at Diwar Island. Panchayat has given the NOC for cleaning without mentioning the nature of exact work at the mangrove site. This issue had come up in Gram Sabha earlier, but Sarpanch of Diwar has preferred to stay silent on the issue. Earlier in the day, Environment Minister Alina Saldania also visited the site.
Have a look at this area. It is around 80,000 square meter having mangroves cover. Mangroves in this area are cut to pave way for some project. The project is of one Sri Sai Family Trust based in Bengaluru. Huge bunches of mangroves are cut at this site. Old Goa police then arrested around 70 to 80 labourers. Sources informed that Sarpanch Prasad Harmalkar had granted NOC of cleaning to the party without knowing or specifying exact nature of the work. Prudent tried to contact the Sarpanch, but he refused to comment.
सरपंचान सांगलेले मिस्टर प्रसाद हरमलकरान की ताणे NOC इश्यू केल्या फॉर क्लिनिंग. नेचर ऑफ क्लिनिंग कितें तें कांय सांगूंक ना. क्लिनिंग त्याच भशेन ताणें सांगलें NOC दिल्या फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थिंगा कनेक्शन दिवपाक कांय कंस्ट्रक्शन ना, कांय ना, तांचो प्लॅन ना, डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन ना. तो मालो ते PC कल्चर करता. PC culture in brackish water, as per my knowledge, is banned by the Honorable Apex Court, Supreme Court.
This illegal cutting of mangroves had also come up in the Gram Sabha. Environment Minister Alina Saldania visited the site on Friday at Diwar.
आता ते उपन बरें तर पडटा लोकांक आनी गांवांक आनी आख्ख्या गोंयांत करून दी. There's no problem. But दिवाडकारांक गोमय तूं कितें कोत्ता पळय तो.
Residents of Diwar claimed that they were not taken into confidence before going ahead with the developmental plans. However, mangroves cutting is banned, but in Diwar, these were brutally chopped. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Illegal encroachments along the Mangur-Vasco highway were demolished on Friday. Some families from outside the state had illegally constructed houses and shanties without obtaining the NOC. The dwellings were constructed on PWD water pipeline and naphtha pipeline. Moreover, these shanties were very close to the naval armament store, which led to a security threat.
Illegal structures at Mangur were demolished in a joint operation with local police and the National Highway Authority of India on Friday. Many families, majorly from UP, were staying along the stretch without any NOC from the authorities.
No, I have not given any NOC. I was not aware also that there was a pipeline, because earlier when we have come for demolition, there has to be a lot of hay. So what is underground, we could not hay and cow dung. In fact, last time our bulldozer could not come because so much of cow dung was there that the bulldozer tires were, slipping. It could not get a grip. So we did, with the help of manual laborers, we did some demolition.
But NOC
it is mandatory. I am the owner of the land. I am also. I have got magisterial powers vested in me on the National Highway by virtue of being highway administrator. NOC is obviously it is required. So
not just that, the structures were built on a PWD water pipeline and the pipeline carrying naphtha. That's not all. The illegal structures were very close to the naval armament store. The story doesn't end here. These families are residing at this place from past almost 4 years. They have been granted water connection by the PWD and not a pie is charged for the water supply.
बिल आपको आता ही नहीं है. नहीं. बाद में आप कभी गए पैसा देने के लिए या पूछने के लिए?
बिल ही नहीं आता तो देगा.
कितना बरस हुआ बिल नहीं आता?
मीटर है उसको? 3 बरस, चौथा बरस चालू.
पैसा नहीं दिया, 1 भी रुपया नहीं दिया.
मीटर कौन लगाया था? मीटर पानी का मीटर कौन लगाया था? PW.
When media questioned the junior engineer of PWD in Baina, he refused to comment.
I am not supposed to interact with the media.
This is the 4th operation at this place in recent years, but unknown families keep settling by constructing illegal shanties without any NOC, while authorities turn a blind eye. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.